Changing your Wi-Fi password is a smart way to keep your internet connection secure. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just updating it for safety, here's how to do it, step by step. First, make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can do this using a computer, phone, or tablet. Now, open a web browser and in the address bar, type your router's IP address. For most routers, this is either 192.168.1 or 192.168.1.1. If those don't work, check the label on the back of your router or look it up in your device's network settings. Once the login page loads, you'll need to enter your router's username and password. This is not your Wi-Fi password, but the admin login for the router. If you haven't changed it, the default is often something like admin for both fields. Again, check the sticker on the router or the manual if you're unsure. Now you're in the router settings. Every brand looks a little different, but look for something like wireless settings, Wi-Fi settings, or wireless security. Inside that menu, find the field labeled password, passphrase, or pre-shared key. Delete the old password and type in your new one. Be sure to pick something secure but memorable. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your new password, click Save or Apply. The router will now reboot or momentarily disconnect. Your devices will get kicked off the Wi-Fi, and you'll need to reconnect using the new password. That's it. You've successfully updated your Wi-Fi password. This helps keep your network safe from unwanted connections, and it's a good idea to update it regularly. For extra security, you can also change your router's admin login details while you're in the settings. That way, nobody else can log in and make changes without your permission. And one more tip, write down your new Wi-Fi password and keep it in a safe place, or use a password manager to store it securely.